Can we repeat the driver's prayer? Grant me, O Lord, a steady hand, a watchful eye, so that no one will be hurt as I pass by. Sana wala kang nasasaktan, nilalamangan as you journey through this life. Come clean before God. And dear sisters and brothers, please remember this. Also, watch your behavior. Huwag kang mayabang, huwag kang arrogante. Don't be a critic, negative person. Uplift your companions para makarating tayo lahat to our final destination. Please don't forget this. Ang problema ng mga iba, they forget who God is